What's going on, Bees Gang? We back with another video and everything. Today's video is kind of off, of what our usual schedule is, but it's something I keep getting asked questions about. I keep asking, how do you do this? How do you do that? And how, just the overall thing about it. So I felt like, hey, I might as well make a video for it so I can answer everybody's question in this one video and make it easier for everybody. If you are new to the channel and it's your first time stopping by and all that stuff, make sure you go ahead and hit that, well, I'm not gonna tell you, check out a couple of the videos, check out the channel, and if you like it, go ahead, stick around with the channel and everything. I'm not gonna force it on you or nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get straight into the video. Now, I'm gonna say this right now, this whole video is gonna be in the realm of automotive vloggers. Like, like if you're trying to, start your videos and stuff, you wanna record like your car and stuff like that, but this technique and everything can still work for, don't matter any video, what you're doing. It could be whatever, if you just sit here talking just like I am. Now, for my channel and everything, I've been making videos for about, it's been a year altogether and everything. And how I've made every one of my videos has been with my phone. It is I've made the videos with my phone, and I've edited the videos with my phone all together, uploaded it to YouTube, everything. Everything that I've done for my channel so far has been through my phone, which I think is the best way that you can start your, start your channel off and everything. Is just, it's not expensive. It's not as expensive, you're just paying a monthly, your monthly bill and stuff like that, and then you still have a phone. What I use is an iPhone, at the X or whatever. I put the picture up here so y'all can see which one exactly. And the software I use to edit my videos is iMovie, which comes, it comes with the iPhone and everything. So it's all in one. You have everything that's, perfectly right there and everything. You got a camera in the back that goes that 4K. So you have good quality to be able to do stuff, even though, it goes 4K, it's still not good as a normal camera. So if you do want to take it, just a step higher, go ahead and get a GoPro or something like that, which you still can use the clips from that and put it onto your phone to where, you can still make the videos and everything, which is my next step after, doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the GoPro and then make my videos there instead of doing them all from my phone, because the quality sometimes does look kind of funny and the audio does sometimes sound kind of funny when using your phone. That's probably the one downfall about it. But even with it being that one downfall really about it, is it's still decent for you to start off, start off doing your channel and everything. So it's not like it's, incredibly hard, incredibly, bad and everything. It's just, it's real easy to start your channel off while using your phone until you gain some base, and then you want to know, like, all right, do I really want to do this, or is this, is this not for me? You know what I'm saying? It gives you that time to think, like, hey, do I really want to go forward with trying to do this YouTube stuff? So I'm gonna tell you the first couple simple tricks, or not tricks, but tips in order to make your videos just while using your phone. Number one, a lot of people who ask me about how I do my videos and stuff like that, they tell me to check their channel out and stuff like this and then get them tips and stuff. And which me, I don't see myself as being the person to come to ask for tips and stuff, because I really just hold the camera. Look, I don't see myself as somebody who's just, doing something that's crazy or something like that. But a lot of people come and ask me, like, hey, could you check out my video and see if you can tell me this or that and everything like this. The one thing that I can say for a lot of people who make videos, with your car and stuff like that, make sure that your phone is in landscape mode. That means it's turned sideways, or I hope that's what it is, sideways. Portrait mode, when it's standing straight up, is gonna upload to YouTube looking kind of like, let me put a clip in of something that how it would look like. You don't want your video looking like that, because a lot of people are gonna be like, hey, we can't see, the size, where is it wide? It's just, it looks kind of, you know what I'm saying? But if that's how you want to upload your videos, fine. It's all about how you want to do it yourself, however you feel comfortable making your videos. You know what I'm saying? It's not really too much as how other people are gonna, you make your videos on how you want to, what you feel like you like the best. You know what I'm saying? Number two, is something that I could just say that I guess is a tip, is make sure that you do not have extremely loud music playing during your video, because you have to always think, if we can't hear what you're saying, we gonna have to click off, because at that point we're just listening to you know what I'm saying? And look, nobody, we want to be able to hear what you're talking about. If you showing your car and it look amazing and everything, but you sitting here with music that's too loud and it's just, we can't hear what you're saying, we're like, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? I did this a couple times myself, I'm not gonna lie. I had my music too high and I'm sitting here talking and people are just like, what? So just make sure that you got the music at a certain level to where you can hear your voice way more over, the music. You hear the music just faintly in the background a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Another tip that'll make it more comfortable while doing YouTube and stuff is, do not think about the views and how many views you're getting on your video and everything like that. Because I can tell you this right now, the first like 15 videos I made, I got 0 views. And it was like I was thinking like, oh man, maybe this is not just what it is. But I had to think about myself. I'm someone new to this platform trying to do stuff. So ain't nobody about to just come out of nowhere like, hey, yeah, it's you. Like, no, it's you have to start you got to put the work in to where, you know, you get yourself noticed a little bit. And that means consistently posting, having titles that, you know, are specific and they get to the point. They're not clickbait, because if you clickbait, I'll tell you right now, a lot of people ain't gonna rock with you. I'll tell you that right now. And overall, just be yourself throughout the video. Don't like try to put on a whole entire front for, you know, just thinking like, oh, if I be like this, people gonna like it more. Be yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you have your own personality in the video, they go rock with it regardless. You know what I'm saying? Because you being you. You're not on here acting like, oh, yep, I'm a millionaire, when really you got $16 in your pocket. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but don't pretend it for the camera. Be yourself. If you got it like, if you don't got it like this, don't put yourself in a position to where you hurting, you know, off camera. You know what I'm saying? Basically what I'm trying to say is, when you in this automotive thing, don't put yourself in debt. You know what I'm saying? Before really thinking to yourself like, all right, I'm gonna really do this and put my all into this. You know what I'm saying? If you find, you know, you got it and you got the drive to continue going, fine. Throw yourself in $3 million worth of debt. It's all up to you. And since this whole YouTube thing it's a lot of people with cars and everything who are doing YouTube, you gotta make sure, that's why I say like your personality comes into it. You gotta make sure that you're being yourself, because everybody can have, you know, it could be a whole bunch of people out doing, you know, car reviews and whatever, you know what I'm saying? They could be out just doing their thing. If y'all are all exactly the same, it's not really going, you know, it ain't gonna really go nowhere. That's why you just be yourself, have your own little twist in how you do stuff, and just let it go from there. You know what I'm saying? I make my videos just off what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Just I take, you know, advice from, you know, people who watch my videos and stuff, because, you know, it's what they want to see. I'm not gonna, you know, just sit here and like saying, well, you go watch what I post. I'm gonna listen to some advice and stuff. I'm not just gonna be like, no, you watching me like that. That's, to me, in my opinion, that's very childish. You know what I'm saying? That's not the way to go. I forgot which number we at or whatever, but I guess the next thing that I can say you could do is make sure that you collab every now and then with YouTubers. See, I got a problem with, it's not that I too much got a problem, it's just that in my area, there's not a lot of YouTubers who I'm able to, you know, to actually go around and collab with, you know what I'm saying? Because it's very faint YouTubers here, you know, that people who, you know, who they start, they don't continue, and then, you know, that drive is just gone, so, you know, it's really hard to collab with people. But whenever you get the chance to be able to collab with somebody, make sure that you take the opportunity, because that way that their subscribers, your subscribers, they can come together and see like, all right, these two people are not, you know, they cool with each other, they enjoy each other, they both got decent content. All right, we're gonna venture over to your channel, check your stuff out, while also, you know, that way that, you know, y'all build a stronger, you know, you get what I'm saying? And me, it's all about making the community, the car community, a little bit, you know, bring it all together, you know what I'm saying? Because just because you got, you know, this is, look, I'm just gonna say this just straight out. It don't matter what car you have, what engine size, whatever. If you like your car and you enjoy it, make your videos. If you want to do YouTube on your car, do it. Just because somebody want to come and say, ooh, you don't have this, you don't have that, ignore them. They came there to hate on you. Ignore that, man. Everything in life, you know, you gonna have people who will look at you, you know, a little sideways. You know what I'm saying? But just don't let it bother you. Continue to go. There's been plenty of times where I have people come to my channel and try to say this and say that I go like, oh well, they don't like it. Well, that's it. No, I kept going, because you gotta know when to hear someone's opinion for them being, you know, just like, oh, a good person. Some people just being like, ooh, I want to ruin your day because I'm an internet troll. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know the difference. Don't let every little thing somebody say to you just hit you to heart. Because at the end of the day, you're doing this for you. This is, you know, this is what you want to do. Don't worry about what they talking about. Those are a couple tips that I really know just for myself on how to do, like, because that's just the way I really been going around it. You know what I'm saying? If you are, you know, really plan on doing this, invest into a tripod, you know what I'm saying? Something that you could hold the camera, you know, a little bit sturdier with, because if you hold it with your hand and you're shaking and stuff like this, yeah, it's gonna get difficult. For a while, I was just holding my phone, you know, recording and stuff like this, until I invested into a tripod. It's real good too, you know. It costs $50. I'll let you know right now, they ain't cheap. The one that I use is this right here, the Joby, I don't know, you know, it's a hand thingy, whatever it is, stabilizer, and it has, you know, all the grip and everything. You can do everything with this. I hung it inside the tree the other day to make a video to try to do a cold start, which I failed at doing, but you know what I'm saying, it still could go in the tree if you needed to. And just the main thing at the end of the day when making your videos and stuff, just make sure that you be yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just come on the camera, and however you are off the camera, bring that person onto the camera. You know what I'm saying? Don't, you know, don't come and pretend to be another person. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and be yourself. But that's the end of the video. I appreciate everybody who came by, stopped by, looked at the video, you know, watched it, enjoyed. Everybody, if you want to join the Beast Gang, go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Go check the channel out first before you want to hit the subscribe button, because I don't want to just say it and then you don't know what the channel about and everything. So just go check a couple videos out, speak with some of the, you know, the Beast Gang members and stuff like that. You know, everybody just get along, and then we go continue going. But just make sure y'all keep going, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what that was. I ain't never in my life did that like that, but all right.